Welcome to Mystical Minds. I'm your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Honesty wins. Whatever is done with honesty and integrity has a way of seizing the opponent's hand and throwing it back in his face. For lies, treachery, and cruelty never wins with God, but an honest approach and a willingness to improve will always alter the course in your favor. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you to think about 3 things that you're grateful for. So if you're able, just close your eyes and think of those things right now. I am grateful for my wife. I'm grateful for my cousin Danny. I'm very grateful for everybody listening. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.